How does precipitation form? The air can hold a certain amount of water vapour. When the air temperature rises, the air heats up, rises, and expands. As the air temperature falls with increasing altitude, the rising air cools. The amount of water vapour held in the air reduces, and the relative humidity rises. When the rising air cools and reaches dew point, the air saturates, and the relative humidity reaches 100%. Water vapour gathers on tiny particles in the air and forms droplets. This process is called condensation. Those particles providing surfaces for condensation are the condensation nuclei, while the level at which condensation occurs is known as the condensation level. The water droplets in the air are supported by an uprising air current. When water droplets rise and fall with the air currents, they join together and grow bigger. The stronger the uprising air current, the higher the water droplets are thrown, the larger they become. This forms thick clouds. Water droplets continue to grow until they are too heavy for the uprising air current to hold. They then start to fall to the ground as rain. Precipitation is the falling of water in a liquid or solid form from clouds.